Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Naga-style rice beer. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients: sticky rice, special yeast cakes, and clean water. It's crucial to ensure all your equipment is thoroughly sterilized to prevent any unwanted contamination, which could affect the taste and safety of your brew. Choosing high-quality sticky rice is key for achieving that authentic, delicious flavor profile. Let's get started on this exciting brewing journey. Next, let's prepare our sticky rice. Begin by washing the rice thoroughly under running water until the water runs completely clear. This removes excess starch. Then, soak the clean rice for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, let it soak overnight. This step helps the rice cook evenly. Finally, steam the soaked rice until it is perfectly cooked and tender, but not mushy. Now for the exciting fermentation process. First, ensure your cooked sticky rice has cooled completely to room temperature. This is vital for the yeast. Take your special yeast cakes and crush them into a very fine powder. Gently mix this powdered yeast evenly throughout the cooled rice. Transfer this mixture into a clean, airtight container. Allow it to ferment for approximately 3 to 5 days, depending on how strong you prefer your rice beer. Finally, it's time to prepare your Naga rice beer for enjoyment. After the fermentation period, add a generous amount of clean water to your fermented rice mixture. Gently stir it. Then, carefully strain the liquid through a fine, clean cloth or sieve to separate the delicious rice beer from any solids. Store your freshly made rice beer in a cool, dark place. Serve it chilled for the most refreshing and authentic experience. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.